This market just keeps getting better. Whether it's your first time in Phuket or you have visited before, Lard Yai Market, otherwise known as the Sunday Night Walking Market, which takes place in Thalang Road in Phuket Old Town, is something you have to experience. It has a vibe all of its own and will leave you with a special memory. Its quaint setting is only the start of the unique backdrop that lines either side of the market, not only adding to the visuals but supplying an array of businesses to add to the already vast choice that's on offer. Over the years, I've seen this market grow in size and choices. Whether it's food or other products, there's always something new. So even if you visited last year, you're still going to find new things. My best advice would be to make an afternoon, evening of this experience, arriving early and leaving late, so you have time to step out of the crowds and go at your own pace. Plus this will give you time to also explore the surrounding area. Trust me, there's a lot to see. This is not just a shopping market. It's a place to experience the atmosphere, to people watch, to eat, to drink, to be entertained, as well as picking up souvenirs for friends and loved ones. One important thing to remember, this is a market to take your time over, to browse the offerings and not to rush. However, this can be a very busy market, and if you're not careful you can get swept along with the crowd. So keep this in mind or you could miss out on so many things of interest. Years ago, this market used to be predominantly a food market, but not anymore. Of course, there's still a lot of food to pick from, with many Thai classics and the ever-expanding choices of imported foods. But I'm noticing a lot of handcrafted goods, souvenirs and more unusual items, making this market a little different from the run-of-the-mill tourist market. The market opens at 4 p.m. and closes around 10 p.m. in the evening. But besides the market, this area offers loads of businesses, shops, restaurants, bars, cafes, boutique clothing shops and much more. Not to mention another market in an adjacent street, but I'll cover that another time. So if you're looking for something exciting to do on a Sunday afternoon, get yourself down to Phuket town and get lost in the atmosphere.